Let me ask you something. When was the last time your marriage felt alive? Not just functioning, not just surviving, but truly connected? If your answer made you think twice, then listen closely. From January 25th to February 14th, Lovebridge is launching a global 21-day challenge that is already transforming couples around the world. The Make Marriage Hard to Quit Challenge.
This challenge is designed to rebuild intimacy, restore emotional connection, and help couples fall in love again.
Whether you've been married for 1 year or 20, this challenge is for you.
Most marriages don't end because of big fights. They end because of small distances that go unnoticed. The silence, the misunderstandings, the feeling of being alone even when you're together.
This challenge helps you close that gap. Every day, you get one simple, meaningful activity that brings your hearts back to the same rhythm again. It's not overwhelming. It's practical, healing, and genuinely transformative.
What makes this challenge different is the structure behind it. For 21 days, you're guided through emotional exercises, communication tools, connection-building tasks, and reflection prompts, all grounded in relationship psychology. This isn't a social media trend. It's a structured program designed to help couples renew, rebuild, and reignite their relationship.
This movement is global. Couples from Africa, the US, Europe, Asia, the Caribbean, and beyond participate.
For 21 days, choose intentional connection.
Choose healing. Choose the marriage you promised each other.
Follow our platforms for daily updates, tasks, and live sessions. Let's make marriage hard to quit together.